Was that last time you were here, probably?
Yeah, it was.
Jeez.
Just make sure you wait at any turn in case I'm lagging.
Slick.
Greasy.
Yeah. Greased lightning. Sunday stroll in the rain. There's a right turn up here.
Oh. It's an uphill trail.
It goes down and then up, but it's not too bad. But you miss out on all that fun stuff. This is still pretty good.
Something different?
Yep. It's more interesting to film someone else. Got it.
Right?
Yeah. That's that nasty uphill on the right. Back there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What nasty uphill?
Oh, it's just the one we do sometimes. It goes
Oh yeah.
sharp up and then to the left.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's right.
And it's really rocky.
Takes a while to get any sense of confidence.
Yeah, it won't take long. Oh, mud.
This doesn't look that new.
No, it's not now, but
Looks well bedded in.
they did a lot of work on Pete's too, so we'll have to go down Pete's.
Yeah, Pete needed work last time I looked at it.
Yeah. What was that?
Pete needed a lot of work last time I was in the area.
Well, they did a lot of work, but it's probably all washed out now.
It's been a fair bit of rain.
Yeah.
This leads back up to here then.
Yeah, we're back on.
It's a nice flowy little length, isn't it?
It's good, yeah. Not too much effort.
It's just getting ride fit again. It's going to take me a few months. That's all right.
That's good.
Is this got to strengthen it. Like it's just all about doing core exercises. So
Yeah.
I think I just when I did it, I reckon I just had the shittest core ever.
Yeah.
And then I tried to do it to come back too quick.
Did you ever? You didn't do any sit-ups?
Not really, no.
No.
I just figured that all the riding that I did and
Yeah.
moving would help, but it's not the same. Good to be out here again. Seen any good movies lately? Right?
I've seen nothing. You go a little this way.
Link up?
Yeah.
Huh?
My voice. No, I haven't seen anything. What have you? I think Tenet was the last one.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Actually, absolutely love it.
You didn't like it?
No.
It's probably his worst, but yeah, but still bloody good.
Yeah, it's still good. It was just like the special effects are amazing. You've got to be in the right mood for Nolan, I reckon.
Yeah, the runner behind us.
Did you end up watching WandaVision?
No,
Oh, you don't have Disney?
no. Is it good?
So good. It's like based on different TV shows from like the 50s and 60s, and every episode like is filmed in a different sitcom style.
Okay, yeah,
Like the first episode is Dick Van Dyke and it's black and white and all that.
yeah.
And it ends up at like Malcolm in the Middle.
All right. I still haven't even seen the DeLorean. Thanks, mate.
No,
Cheers. Thanks.
You haven't seen Mandalorian yet,
It's a disgrace, isn't it?
and no one spoiled the ending for you.
Yeah, I know Luke's there. I don't know what he does or anything, but
You've got to watch it before you find out. Well.
it's been pretty shit lately. Explosions.
Yeah.
So rocky and horrible now.
Needs a bit of love.
Well, at least the last time I went, maybe they've done some work, but
Amazing like what confidence does for mountain biking.
yeah.
Because you get like, you brake too much and then that makes you less confident, and then you,
Yeah.
it's what it's like to ride in Malaysia like every day. Green city.
No dust in Malaysia.
No dust anywhere. All wet.
To be
Everything's
seen.
moist. You gotta wash your bike after every single ride.
Yeah, hell yeah.
That's Rail's view, isn't it?
Yeah, I haven't seen that one.
That's cutting from.
They need to update trail force.
You need to or they need to?
They need to, or someone.
Someone must walk it, and then I think, I don't know how trail force works.
No idea, no. Someone with big trail.
Joel's tree. That's the one that wiped out Joel's foot.
Oh yeah?
That one that sticks out on the left there.
Well, really messed him up.
I don't think he broke it, but it was certainly put him out for a bit. He got back in there.
Yeah, mate, keep going. I got one behind anyway.
Okay. Thanks. We're just cruising.
You can show me where the puddles are.
That was charming.
What was that trail that you came up just before? Was that a new one?
No, it comes out
Hey.
where the elevator comes on the flat bit there.
Yeah.
Before it goes back up to the final hill on up there. There's one that goes straight ahead across this way.
Oh.
It basically just goes up the hill. It's been there for years, but it's a bit of a dud track, really.
Yeah. Hopefully you see the improvements.
There's a few sections that's pretty rocky, hey?
Yeah. Pretty much back to rocky again.
Yeah. You've got to build it out with rocks, like flat rocks and stuff.
Yeah. A lot of runners out today.
Yeah.